Just a little video of Stihl chainsaw. Had to put it to rest a couple, I don't know, a year ago or so. Want to see why? I don't know if you can see that, but there's a scratch in the cylinder. So it runs like shit. But this was originally made in West Germany, not in where the shitty Brazilian ones were made. Very good chainsaw when it was, made in West Germany, right there. And it still has good compression, very good compression. So, it's not a bad chainsaw. It'll still run. It just has the muffler and whatever the hell that thing is off. There's the little case over there. But, if you want to buy it, contact me. Thank you.